Alright, so once you remove that and expose the steering column, our next step is to remove the steering wheel off the car, not the actual dash, okay? So just try to leave it right there. Make sure you get a bungee cord so your steering wheel doesn't move around, because you don't want your clock spring to spin freely, okay? And then we're gonna get down here and you're gonna follow that shaft, and behind this cylinder, I'll show you where it's at right now. Let me see if I can position my light right here. Point it, perfect. Oh, never mind. All right, real quick, one more time. All right, here we go. Let's see. All right, guys, now it's time to remove the steering wheel. And this is the screw right here, okay? It's actually a 5/16 Allen. This is what I have, the socket that I'm using, a 5/16 Allen. Now, this is the only thing that I have to use this with, so mine's a little too long. I can get it on here, but I can't get my ratchet in there. So I'm using my ratcheting 8mm socket ratcheting wrench, all right? And I am putting it through like this so I can spin it, all right? Make sure righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You may have to hold the steering wheel with one hand, and while you do this right here, you see, yeah, hold the steering wheel with one hand while you loosen it up like that, just like I did, and then loosen it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this real quick until I'm done removing it, and we'll get right back to you. All right, so once you loosen it up all the way, I'm gonna try to do it like this from this side. There we go. Oh, whatever. Unscrew it. Oops. Don't let you screw. This is what it looks like. All right, and now carefully just pull back and let it hang. And and that's basically it. That's how you remove your steering wheel.